Have you ever felt like your money is slipping through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to budget? Or perhaps you're new to budgeting and looking for a tool to help you get started? If so, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the cash flow feature in Goodbudget, a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. What is cash flow? Cash flow is simply the movement of money into and out of your wallet or bank account. It's like the blood flowing through your veins, keeping you alive and well. In Goodbudget, the cash flow feature gives you a real-time view of your income and expenses, so you can see where your money is going and make informed decisions about how to spend it. How does cash flow work in Goodbudget? To use cash flow, you simply add your income and expenses to your budget. Goodbudget will then automatically calculate your available balance and show you how much money you have left to spend each month. You can also use cash flow to track your progress towards your financial goals. For example, if you're saving up for a new car, you can set a goal in Goodbudget and track your progress towards it. Benefits of using cash flow in Goodbudget. There are many benefits to using cash flow in Goodbudget, including: see where your money is going. With cash flow, you can easily see where your money is going each month. This can help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and save money. Stay on track with your financial goals. Cash flow can help you stay on track with your financial goals by showing you how much progress you've made towards them. Make informed decisions about how to spend your money. With a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can make informed decisions about how to spend your money. Reduce stress about money. Knowing where your money is going can help you reduce stress about money. How to get started with cash flow in Goodbudget. If you're new to Goodbudget, here are a few tips to get started with cash flow. Add your income and expenses. Start by adding your income and expenses to your budget. This will give you a baseline to work from. Set financial goals. Once you have a good understanding of your income and expenses, you can set financial goals. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Track your progress. Regularly track your progress towards your financial goals. This will help you see how far you've come and make adjustments as needed. Cash flow is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. If you're looking for a way to get started with budgeting, I highly recommend using Goodbudget and its cash flow feature. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.